upcoming under display camera smartphone.
Hello people, it's Niba. At this point, bezels are no longer the main bottleneck on the road to the perfect all-screen display because smartphone manufacturers have mastered the art of making slim bezels. The main difficulty right now is the selfie cameras. We've seen countless methods to solve the selfie camera problem, but each one of these have ended up creating their own problems. Notches take up a good part of the display, and even the smaller ones still give you a hint from time to time that there is an intruder on your screen. Punch holes, well, are a little better, but they're just another kind of notch and still obstruct your screen. And then we have the mechanized camera systems that include flip, sliding, and pop-up cameras, which introduce too many moving parts. Fortunately for us, manufacturers are in close range of releasing smartphones with the best solution yet. Judging by the title of this video, I'm sure you already know what it is. Yes, it's the under-display selfie camera. On June 3rd, 2019, Oppo released a video showing off their new in-screen selfie camera. About 3 hours later, Xiaomi also introduced theirs in a video with what looks like a Xiaomi Mi 9 bearing an under-screen selfie camera. But Samsung was probably the first smartphone manufacturer to go public about under-display cameras, and that was during its Samsung OLED forum on October 18, 2018 at the Shenzhen Marriott Hotel in China. they further revealed plans for their under-display camera during the Samsung Developer Conference on November 7, 2018, when Hassan Anjum, their Director of Product Marketing, took the stage and talked about various forms of their infinity displays as were in development at that time. Now, it's been more than a year, and even though we've seen working prototypes from oppo and Xiaomi, Samsung hasn't yet shown us any of their prototypes. Until this ad for its new wind-free home air conditioner, which was published to YouTube on March 25, 2020. The device they featured is notchless, bezel-less, and all-screen. It looks a lot like a Galaxy Note phone, but there is neither a top bezel nor a front-facing camera. This falls in line with leaks from popular Samsung insider Ice Universe, who claimed that Samsung will release a smartphone in this year 2020 with its front-facing camera built under the display. The question is this a real phone or a prototype which Samsung made for use in the advertisement? According to a very informative article on Forbes' website, Samsung first replied to this by saying that they don't comment on future products. But after additional pressure from Gordon Kelly, the writer of this article, Samsung later said that the device was just a generic prototype. In this case, the next question is, why would Samsung go the extra mile of making a prototype only for this advert when they could have used this opportunity to promote their S20 flagships? Even though no rumor so far points to Samsung removing the punch hole in the Galaxy Note series, could we be in for a major surprise? Or is there a chance that Samsung has plans to launch a new phone just to test this new technology? Unfortunately, as of now, these are all speculations based on rumors and leaks, and nothing is confirmed. Do you think Samsung will launch a smartphone with an under-display camera this year? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो 5th नंबर पे आता है वन प्लस। जैसे कि आपको पता है वन प्लस ने वन प्लस कॉन्सेप्ट वन करके फ़ोन निकाला था वन प्लस 7 प्रो। तो मुझे वो बैक साइड का कैमरा इनविजिबल हो जाता है। अब 4th नंबर पे आता है वीवो। जैसे कि आपको पता है वीवो हर साल अलग अलग कॉन्सेप्ट फ़ोन निकालते हैं। वीवो एपेक्स, वीवो एपेक्स 2, वीवो नेक्स, वीवो नेक्स एस, नेक्स 2। वैसे 3rd नंबर पे कौन सी कंपनी आनी चाहिए, इसके लिए तो बहुत बड़ा कन्फ्यूजन हो रहा था। इसके लिए सोचा कि तीनों को एक साथ ही बता दूँ, ओप्पो, Huawei और Xiaomi जैसे कि हर वक्त अलग अलग कंपनी से कुछ ना कुछ अलग लेके बड़ा कुछ करते हैं। जैसे सैमसंग का GW1 सेंसर लिया था। अभी 2nd पोजीशन पे है एप्पल इनोवेशन बहुत कम करते हैं, लेकिन जो भी लाते हैं ना वो ट्रेंड बन जाता है। इसके लिए एप्पल को सेकंड नंबर पे रखा है। 1st नंबर पे है सभी के फेवरेट सैमसंग बहुत ही इनोवेटिव है। अपने प्रोटोटाइप्स पहले दूसरे कंपनीज को देते और सैमसंग इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए भी डरते थे, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड की फर्स्ट सबसे बड़ी कंपनी है स्मार्टफोन के लिए। बहुत रिच भी है सैमसंग। तो